Okay, so that was the place after all. Glad I turned around when I did. And it's still raining. A little bit. Not bad. Okay, so we're back on 16. 16 heading east. Got to try to keep this stuff in mind. Anyway, that was one of today's destinations, the Zukeran Poultry Farm and Minimini Zoo at 660 Akamichi in Uruma. Those conditions for the animals in there and the birds, pretty I won't say despicable, but my gosh, they have pretty small enclosures there. Probably not a bad deal for a turtle that could spend some time crawling from one end to the other, but some of those other ones, the larger animals, in particular the horse, the little mini horse. But what are you going to do?
In about 500 meters, turn right.
All right, so like I say, that was one of today's destinations, and we'll cut it here.